Unwelcome critters turn garden dreams into nightmares, feasting on edibles and destroying garden beds. They come in all shapes and sizes, above and below ground, making it tricky to control them. Moles are underground artists of destruction and love feasting on bulbous plants, but catching and removing them requires a bit of patience. To protect your prized bulbs, a simple, eco-friendly trick is to plant your bulbs in an air pruning pot and then planting the pot into the soil. The moles won't be able to penetrate the pots. They will give up the challenge and move on. Now, we've all had pests in our gardens, especially as the weather gets warmer, and common pests such as aphids, red spider mites, mealybugs, scale can destroy plants if left untreated. Infestation can spread quickly, so when you spot a pest, spray thoroughly with a contact insecticide, covering the pest and their eggs and all the branches and leaves. Strong, healthy plants can fight off pests, so boost their power and help them stimulate root growth by adding bone meal to the soil when planting. So take back your garden from unwelcome critters and turn pesty nightmares into blooming dreams.